How to delete Reels history on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to delete Reels history on Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, just tap on the menu icon, which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now here from the pop-up menu, you can simply scroll down and select settings and privacy. And now here under settings and privacy, you can just tap on settings. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, you can simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on activity log. And now here in this section, you can simply scroll down, and there you can just tap on your Facebook activity. And now from here, you can simply scroll down and tap on manage post option. And now here, once you are inside this section, here you can just tap on filters at the top left side. And now from here, you can just select categories, and after that, a pop-up menu will appear with a list of options. So from there, what you can do is you can just see and tap on the option labeled as videos you have watched. So just tap on it. And now after that, on the next page, you'll see the list of all the reels that you have watched. Now here, to remove it, you can just tap on the three dot just beside that particular reel, and from there you can just tap on delete to delete it once. But here, if you want to clear all Reels history on Facebook at once, then you can just tap on clear video watch history at the top, and you can confirm it by tapping on clear. And once you do that, all the reels will be removed from your Facebook watch history. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.